Alright, hello, doing one of these again. So, basically just another update, I'm gonna give you some stream of consciousness now while we watch. So, largely, the core gameplay, which I've been focusing on, works quite well, but I need to get the, rest of the auxiliary stuff working better. I need to get I need to build I need to figure out how to build a Python wheel so I can make it properly portable, and it's just a lot of stuff in regards to making it useful for other people and possible for other computers other than just mine. So there's some requirement stuff, and I had forgotten I had used it was a C++ library that I needed to be able to compile the original C code for the C++ code for the EasyLink SDK. But yeah, and if this on screen, I'm just showing you how I source the PyNB and get going. So look, elite chess startup, whoop whoop, and it's off the races. And you can see it doesn't have it's designed to skip my correspondence games unless you give the correspondence flag. So yeah, and then here, just getting ready. And we'll rematch, and boom, and it works. And this is the part of the program that works. I've really been working on getting this to work, and actually, less of the user experience and less of the getting started and getting running, more of the actual gameplay and how the actual gameplay logic. But now we've reached a point in the project where that is fairly mature, but now I need to start working on the actual usability stuff, and that's that needs some work. So yeah, we'll just sit here and watch for a little while. You can see how it lights up, but I can't. I'm having a trouble with getting the their move to stay lit up, because it's just the way I designed the interface for to get when it beeps when there's not a beast there. It has to clear all the screen, but once you clear the screen, get my bishop trapped like a champ. It's Stockfish level 8. What do you want from me? I'm not sure if 8 is hard or 1 is. I think 1's the hardest, 20 is the least hard. It's level 8, so it's pretty good. But yeah, I need to work on some more of the lights, keeping them persistent when I reset, because that'll be something. And I was recording the lights that are on, but then I stopped because I thought it was superfluous, but I guess it wasn't, because it's I'm gonna have to redo that. But yeah, you can see it works pretty well for the actual when you move. It's just because when he moves, it immediately goes back and checks if there's any place mistaken, and that causes all the lights to turn off as it's currently programmed. But yeah, also, if anybody has another bit of either any other operating system, even if they're doing Fedora, I want to hear a log of what you found within you tried to get NicLink working, and I will work with you to try to get it working if you have the hardware like a chessnut. I would be interested in just seeing how portable it is, how everything works for that, and just yeah. So if you have a chestnut and you're interested in the software, just reach out and I'll give you a hand with getting it set up and everything. my knight's in a bad spot. And here. Yeah. Here I thought this. No, I can't see the pieces very well, but it's not important. They're all. Yeah, here this exchange was not good for me. Just breaking up my queen and getting a pawn to the side was messy. Yeah, I'm also been working on getting a test timer. So I have an Arduino with an LCD and a buzzer, but I can't seem to get the LCD to work super well. It's like I've rewired it and rewired it again, and it still doesn't work. But I think I get an IC2 bus, so I can communicate with an LCD via IC2. And then that should be substantially easier, because then you just need 3 layers. So I ordered one of those, and once we get that, hopefully that'll work better, and we can be off the races with getting the chess timer set up. Yeah, it'll just I think a 2-segment 2x16 will be good. I'm probably one side will be one, the other side will be the other. For left and right and black and whatnot, but that's neither here nor there. Can I just I thought this move was super clever. I thought it was a genius, but it turns out I wasn't. The stockfish can think farther than me. Boom. Yeah, I thought it was pretty smart. But then where does my queen go? It's not and then that's pretty well trapped away from the game for the rest of the moves. Like that's the last square my queen's on, I think. And from here I gotta go back, boop, and watch this. These backwards bishop moves. Tricky. And yeah. Sacrifice a knight, just sacrifice the material like left and right. I mean, I gotta take it, because what else can I do here, you know? I'm gonna lose, but let's make it get as much as we can out of him. Yeah, I thought my slow, it's so clever with that queen exchange, but nope. And then what? Just boom, because he takes with the queen, and it triggers my end of move sequence. So it's like it just it doesn't necessarily show the move that checkmated, but I'm not sure. I should update that with the delay and showing the move, and then displaying the splash, the 4 lights. But yeah, it's no matter. Yeah, I think then again I tried to set this up, but moving more than one game is still super buggy, and is still not ideal. Anyway, that's something I'm working on, but it hasn't been the focus. It's been my focus has been on actually getting a game to work and all the checkmates. But now it's to that point that it needs other things, So that's exciting. I might take a look at some. There's a Serbato open source implementation of Elite Chess board for their Serbato boards, and I might look in that and see what that does and try it out. All right, catch you later, man.